Chrysler 300C 2008 HEMI 5.7. What we got done on it? Something, we usually don't do. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X pipe there. Then we only put two FLOWMASTER Super 10s, one there, one there. Part number 842512. There'll be a link in the description for them. As you guys can see right there. There they are. Beautiful. And then we kept the rear resonators on it, there and there. He didn't want it too loud. That's why we left them on there. There's the suitcase muffler that was on it. We cut it off right there. And he kept the factory tips out the back. There and there, as you guys can see. So it's only got two FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there. There'll be a link in the description for all of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. 13 Chrysler 300 5.7 liter HEMI. What we got done on this beast. Factory converters there and there. Factory X pipe. Then we did a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, part number 10415. Be a link in the description for it, there and there. And then we did a rear delete, there and there. And put some 4.5 inch or 5 inch tips out the back. Really sexy tips, as you guys can see right there. Black chrome, got some sexy emblems on the side. And they come on each side of these. Look at that. I'll see if I can get you guys a link in the description for them. There's the mids that were on it. There's the rears. And these Chryslers come with a bolt-on tip that we unbolted right there and right there. All right, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2007 Chrysler 300C 5.7 HEMI power, baby. Anyways, what we got done on it is a full system for you guys. High flow cats there and there. Then 2.5 system all the way back. He didn't want an X pipe, so we didn't put him one and ran just true dual all the way back 2.5 on each side there and right there, all the way back into some sexy 4-inch black tips to complete the look. As you guys can see, look at that. Just came out absolutely beautiful. There it is, right there. Look at that. There's the suitcase muffler that was on it. There's the resonators that were on it. And there's the mid pipe that was on it. We took all that off and ran all new, as you guys can see. So it lost about 150 pounds worth of weight off of it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Chrysler 300C HEMI 5.7 FLOWMASTER. You guys want that hollow, nice deep tone? Go with the FLOWMASTER Super 10. Not bad. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Ain't bad at all. Sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. That's perfect. It's clean. Nothing obnoxious, nothing. It's just clean. And that, see that? Once it warms up, it goes right away. See how it's going away more and more? Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 101. Perfect. Come on back.
I didn't really care for that matte finish. I feel like
Yeah.
the gloss just really
Yeah, it looks a lot It completes the look of the car. It's so deep. I like it. That's perfect. Sounds like a lion roaring. It really did. Yeah, that's awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. I love it. Wow, that is loud. That is screaming again. 120, guys. That is crazy. Wow. One more. Back it out. That's why they bring them. Always fueling the addiction, like it says on the sign. Fuel the addiction. That's insane, guys. Very nice. Here on the inside. C with FLOWMASTer Super Tan instead of that suitcase that was on it. Yeah, heavy power. Chrysler 300 with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs and a HEMI and 5-inch tips. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. It's our 300C. True dual high flow cats, 2.5-inch pipe into 4-inch tips. Black. Let's see if he puts on a show. Nice. Beast mode out of a HEMI. HEMI, babe.